Welcome to Easy Web Tools, the ultimate in web services. Retrieve your data on any PC. Files such as post processors, part files, tool library, interface, and toolbars. Let's talk about the benefits of Easy Web Tools. You can back up critical files to the EZCAM cloud with the click of a mouse, and restore them just as easy on any PC. For a rapid response, record your screen and add narration. Then upload your AVI file to the EZCAM cloud. Permit EZCAM access to your files for immediate review, and lessen the number of emails and time spent with support. Simply click on the File tab for the Easy Web Tools. If this is your first time using Easy Web Tools, you will add a user, register, supply your email address, create a password, confirm your password, and register. Once you've registered, you will become one of the current EZCAM online users. Let's say you have a technical question for EZCAM. Well, now you can record your screen. Simply demonstrate to EZCAM the trouble you're having, such as, why did my curve stop chaining around the outside profile? When you're done, you simply stop recording. Simply demonstrate to EZCAM the trouble you're having. Now your AVI file is ready to be uploaded to the cloud for review. When you back up and restore your environment, you have three options. You can back up all files to be downloaded on any PC, or have EZCAM assist you with any programming questions on your files. You have the option to exclude toolbars. You can upload your screen recording and narration to help EZCAM answer your technical questions in less time. All of the methods mentioned here reduce the number of emails exchanged or reduce the time spent on the phone. Here is the welcome screen when creating new files. You will notice the email address of the registered user. You can back up or restore your environment immediately. You can exclude any recent file or favorite by simply right-clicking on the image. You can remove it to avoid backing up the file completely. In closing, call EZCAM at 508-347-3222 or email us at sales@ezcam.com.